Hello, beautiful humans. Today, we're diving into the world of movement and breath, exploring two incredible practices that have transformed lives across the globe. Let's talk about two amazing practices, yoga and Pilates. These disciplines are more than just exercises. They are holistic approaches to well-being that integrate the body, mind, and spirit. They're like best friends, both helping us feel amazing inside and out. Whether you're looking to build strength, increase flexibility, or find a moment of peace in your busy day, these practices have something to offer everyone. Yoga is ancient, think thousands of years old. It comes from India. This practice has deep roots in history and tradition, offering a rich tapestry of techniques and philosophies that have been passed down through generations. Yoga connects your body, mind, and breath. Through various postures, breathing exercises, and meditation, it helps you achieve a state of harmony and balance. Pilates, on the other hand, is a bit newer. It started in the early 1900s. Created by Joseph Pilates, this method was initially designed to help dancers improve their strength, flexibility, and prevent injuries. Joseph Pilates created it to help dancers get stronger and prevent injuries. His innovative approach combined elements of yoga, martial arts, and Western forms of exercise to create a unique system that focuses on core strength and controlled movements. Both yoga and Pilates use movement and breath. These practices encourage mindfulness and presence, allowing you to connect deeply with your body and the present moment. They help us find balance, flexibility, and peace. Ready to explore? Whether you're a seasoned practitioner or a curious beginner, there's always something new to discover in the world of yoga and Pilates. So, roll out your mat, take a deep breath, and let's begin this journey together. Flexibility is key in yoga and Pilates. It's not about being a pretzel, though. It's about moving freely and feeling good. Yoga uses poses, or asanas, to stretch and open the body. Cat-cow gently stretches your spine. Downward dog lengthens your hamstrings. Pilates uses controlled movements to improve flexibility. Think graceful, flowing movements that make you feel long and strong. Both practices help your joints move better. They also reduce your risk of injuries. Flexibility is freedom. Yoga and Pilates build strength too. They use your body weight for resistance. This helps you build lean muscle. Yoga poses like plank and warrior two strengthen your arms, legs, and core. Holding these poses builds endurance. Pilates focuses on core strength. This helps with balance and stability. It also protects your spine. Both practices improve posture. They help you stand taller and feel more confident. Strength is power from within. Section 4. Relaxation, your calm oasis. Life can be stressful, right? The hustle and bustle of daily life, the constant noise, and the never-ending to-do lists can leave us feeling overwhelmed and drained. It's easy to get caught up in the chaos and forget to take a moment for ourselves. But what if there was a way to find peace amidst the storm? Yoga and Pilates offer a path to relaxation. These practices are not just about physical exercise. They are a holistic approach to well-being. By integrating body, mind, and spirit, they provide a sanctuary from the stresses of everyday life. Imagine stretching your body under the open sky, feeling the gentle breeze, and connecting with nature. They help calm your mind and ease tension. When you engage in these practices, you create a space for yourself to breathe, to let go of worries, and to focus on the present moment. The rhythmic movements and mindful breathing act as a balm for your frazzled nerves. Yoga uses deep breathing techniques, or pranayama, to soothe your nervous system. These techniques are designed to slow down your heart rate, lower blood pressure, and create a sense of inner peace. By focusing on your breath, you can anchor yourself in the present and let go of the past and future. Try breathing in for a count of 4, then exhaling for 4. Pilates encourages mindfulness. This simple yet powerful technique can be practiced anywhere, anytime. Whether you're at home, at work, or in nature, Taking a few moments to breathe deeply can make a world of difference. You focus on each movement and your breath. This focus helps you become more aware of your body and its sensations. It allows you to move with intention and grace, creating a harmonious flow between your mind and body. This helps quiet the mind and reduce stress. When your mind is calm, you can think more clearly, make better decisions, and approach challenges with a sense of calm and confidence. Both practices release endorphins, which are natural mood boosters. These feel-good hormones elevate your mood, reduce feelings of anxiety and depression, and create a sense of overall well-being. They help you feel happier and more relaxed. By incorporating yoga and Pilates into your routine, you can create your own calm oasis, a place where you can retreat, recharge, and rejuvenate. So, take a deep breath, find your center, and embrace the tranquility that these practices offer. Section 5. Guided Practice Gentle Flow. In this session, we will focus on connecting our breath with gentle movements to create a sense of calm and relaxation. This practice is perfect for all levels, whether you're a beginner or an experienced yogi looking to unwind. Let's try a gentle flow together. Find a quiet space where you can practice without distractions. If you're practicing with friends, enjoy the shared energy and support. Find a comfortable seat on your mat. Sit up tall, lengthening your spine. Feel the connection between your sit bones and the earth beneath you. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Exhale slowly. Allow your breath to become steady and even, calming your mind and body. Inhale. Reach your arms overhead. Feel the stretch along your sides and the expansion in your chest. Imagine drawing in positive energy with each breath. Exhale, swan dive forward, hands towards the floor. Let your head hang heavy, releasing any tension in your neck and shoulders. Inhale, halfway lift, flat back. Lengthen your spine and gaze forward. Exhale, forward fold, deepening the stretch in your hamstrings. Inhale, slowly rise to stand. Feel each vertebra stacking one on top of the other. Stand tall and grounded. Exhale, hands to heart center. Take a moment to set an intention for your practice. Repeat this flow 5 times, moving with your breath. Now lie on your back. Feel the support of the ground beneath you. Allow your body to relax completely. Hug your knees into your chest. Feel the gentle compression in your abdomen, massaging your internal organs. Gently rock side to side, massaging your spine. Inhale deeply, exhale fully. Let each breath bring you deeper into relaxation. Repeat this movement 5 times, enjoying the soothing sensation. Remember to listen to your body and move at your own pace. Yoga is a personal journey, and it's important to honor where you are today. Take this sense of peace and mindfulness with you as you continue your day. Section 6. Start your journey. Tips for beginners. Ready to start? Awesome! Here are some tips. 1. Start slow and listen to your body. It's okay to modify poses. 2. Find a qualified teacher. They can guide you and keep you safe. 3. Wear comfortable clothes that allow you to move freely. 4. Be patient and kind to yourself. Progress takes time. 5. Celebrate your achievements, big or small. You're doing great. Section 7. Embrace the practice. Yoga and Pilates are journeys, not destinations. Embrace the practice and enjoy the ride. You'll gain flexibility, strength, and peace. Remember, every journey begins with a single step or breath. Start today and see how amazing you can feel. Stay healthy. See you next time.